What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and let you guys see what my setup is looking like since the upgrades. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, I know I had a lot of people that were asking, different questions about my setup, what it's looking like. Did I find a table or some way to display or set up my heat press? So I'm just gonna let you guys see, but first the first thing I'm gonna do is do this unboxing, because I do have a package that just came in. Alright, Print Squad, so right here I have this box right here, and I did film another video yesterday that I am probably gonna lead with, so y'all probably already know what's in this box right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so basically you see right here is pegs for the pegboard. But the thing with these they are more heavy duty. Hopefully y'all can see that, but they are more heavy duty. I'm gonna compare it with one of the other ones. These are, I don't know, hopefully they're more heavy duty. It's not a whole lot of difference in them, but hopefully these are more heavy duty than the other ones. But they are kind of looking the same, y'all. Let me see. I don't know, they seem slightly different. But what's really gonna tell is once I put them on the thing and let y'all check it out from there. So I'm gonna show you guys what my setup is looking like right now. The only difference is the other ones from yesterday, they seem like they shine more, which that's not a big thing to me. These are supposed to be galvanized steel, but they are looking a lot similar, y'all. They are looking a lot similar. This one is more squared, this one is more rounded. I don't know, maybe these are better. We're gonna see though, and I'm gonna compare them. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like now right here. This is my setup right now. Let me try to back up a little bit. Right there, y'all can see what I have. I have like my long rows of the transfer tape up at the top, my sublimation blanks at the top, my sublimation paper right there. Well, not really the sublimation paper, but it's the butcher paper that I use for sublimating, and y'all kind of see my setup right there. Then I have my mug press set up over here, and if I get a cap press, I'll have room to set up. I have this button maker right here, kind of for the moment. And right here, down here on this lower shelf, I have my printers. As you guys see, I have my sublimation printer right there, have my laminator and my printer that I use to print my film out with. And then right over here, I do have my rolling cutter, my rolling 24-inch cutter. And you see that chair right there? That's usually what I use to put my shirts on when I'm printing. So you can kind of check out what the setup is looking like right now. And I ordered the rest of these. Like what I didn't like, okay, like say I got this right here. Y'all see how it's moving? Y'all see how it's kind of shaking? When I put this one on here, they kind of shake. I was looking for something more sturdy. Like the ones that my mom had was more sturdy than these seem like. So yeah, that's what I have going on right now. So and I also have like some of the 20-inch ones over here, because I don't know if I'm gonna put the 20-inch ones on there or not, depending on how well these new pegs do. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys over here what the setup is looking like. Like right here, this is the stand that I had my old press on. I've just moved it back. This right here is the cabinet that I had. I was storing my vinyl beneath here and my sign vinyl off in here. So now that I have the new setup, as y'all can see right there, it is a little bit more spacious since I moved some things out. And over there, it's a bit more spacious also. And Yeah, I didn't want to turn this. I could have turned that sideways, but I felt like it would be kind of in the way if I did, so I just kind of left it like that. But as you see, I do have a bit more space since I've added this new shelf over here, or workstation, whatever you want to call it, work table. It's called a few different things. And then over here, you know, I do have a bit more space since I moved the big printer out of here, out of this area. And now I have right here, as y'all can see. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take all of this down. Well, actually, I don't know. Before I do that, I might kind of compare these just to make sure that this one is really better. So I'm going to just take one of these and put it up here. And let me see. I'm going to take a roll of vinyl and put it right here. And let me see if that's any better. That one is kind of holding it up. Let me see. I don't know. I'm just trying to see, trying to compare. I'm gonna take this one off right here and put one of the new ones up over here and see. All right. Okay, so yeah, that does not bounce around as much, I don't feel like. Let me see. Yeah, this one is more sturdy. I'm gonna go with those. I'm gonna go with the new ones. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the old ones down and put all the new ones up. And then I'm gonna come back and kind of let you guys check everything out. This one was new when I took it down. Pause this and I'm gonna come back and show y'all guys the end result. All right, Print Squad, I got everything set up and finished, so I'm gonna just let y'all check it out. And y'all can really see how much better everything is with the vinyl. It's out of the way so that I can use the mug press when I need to. And I don't know, I may slide the mug press over slightly, but yeah, I do have enough room to operate the mug press. And if I get a cap press or whatever, you know, I have enough room for that. I do. This is like extra inks. This is actually, this could be trash because this is something, I throw it in the trash, but the rest of those boxes over there are extra inks. And I have my gloves right here. I could put the gloves, hang the gloves up there too. I may end up doing that, but yeah, that's what everything is looking like. And I'm really loving the setup. Let me move this chair out of the way. But yeah, I'm really loving the setup. And I really could, some of these are just like the mass transfer that I use for the inkjet transfers, and you know, some of the other things that are super long, so I just kind of put them up at the top. But this is a 24-inch vinyl roll right here, and it works. As you see, that's a 24-inch roll. This thing is about 2 feet wide, so you can see that 24-inch roll. Then these over here on the side are 20-inch rolls. I don't know, I just felt like it was better to put the longer rolls on the side. I'm actually probably gonna move this one all the way over to the side, but that's, you know, as you guys see, that's how it's looking right now. That's what I got going on, and I think it is really helping me to save space over here, right there. the only thing that's over in there, I have a lot of space to move around in there now. The only thing that's really over there is those t-shirts that will eventually be thrown into the trash once I print up all the sides on all of them, and I'll be using test pelons, you know, going into the future. But I'm gonna kind of back up so that you guys can kind of take a look at everything and just kind of see what everything is looking like over there. So yeah, as you see, it did save me some space over there. And once again, this setup over here is, let me get from a different angle, but as you see, that is, you know, it's more space saving the way that I have this set up right here. I do still want to get a different table for this though, and for this area I actually would like to try to get a long table going right here. I kind of know what I want for this area, but I'm probably not going to get that until I get the other table for this, because I don't really like it being on that wooden thing. I'm going to try to find another table that's suitable for this one. But yeah, so that is what it's looking like right now, and that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. You know, you can kind of see how my setup is, and this setup, the whole thing is, you know, it was on clearance, so it's probably gonna be hard to find them, but they do have similar items to that. And I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't. And also subscribe to the other channel, my T-shirt Chick live channel, or the red channel. This is the green channel with the green t-shirt. The red channel is the one with the red t-shirt. I do live streams on that channel daily at 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 Eastern, 8 a.m. California time, 2 p.m. in Ireland, 3 p.m. in Ghana. So hopefully with me putting out all those time zones, you guys can figure out what time, but I do them every Monday through Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram, T-shirt Chick TV on Instagram, and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.
Work, 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 work,